Well, excuse my camera today. I'm holding in my hand. I just wanted to give you an update of what's going on. I'm going to take this clay to the foundry tomorrow, or at least I hope to take it tomorrow. It depends on the weather. We've been having snowstorms off and on for the last week, and it's pretty darn cold. I changed the title of this piece to Working for 20 and Found, and it pretty much says everything about the life of a cowboy back in the 1800s. I need to get a bid from the foundry on what it's going to cost to reproduce it in clay, in bronze I'm sorry. And so I'm going to take this to the foundry tomorrow or the next day or so and get that from the foundry. I'm really happy the way this clay turned out, and I think it's going to make a beautiful bronze. So I'll be videoing the trip to Livingston to the foundry, and I'll see you next time. I do have some ideas for my next clay, but I'm going to have to work those out in my mind, so I don't know exactly when I'll be back in the studio sculpting, but I'll just have to wait and see what happens. All right, everybody, have a great week, and I'll see you next time.